The problem in securitization. What are the problem arise from securitization? Reason for dismissal growth of securitization. What is it? So sometimes there may be problem securitization. That maybe they want to securitize asset, but the company are willing to, but the government may stop it. Some of the problem comes. What are the problems? So the concept of securitization became popular in India and the source of a balance sheet, source of finance, but the level of growth still in behind. Why there is a lag in securitization? The following are the main reason for to growth of securitization instrument in Indian context. Stamp duty, because the mortgage debt stamp duty crosses 12%. So want to securitize something, you need to pay 12 percentage of what you said to government. Second, taxation. A SPV, special purpose vehicle as a trustee, is liable to be taxed in respective capacity. Investor will be taxed as a share of income. Yeah, when they sell the asset, what will happen? Capital gain will arise. Yeah, you are issuing a new IPO is good, but you having existing share, we need selling it, it becomes a capital asset. Accounting. Problem arising when the assets are transferred without recourse. There is a problem when you transfer something. Some problem in accounting arises. Exam, the mostly important is recourse. I will come to that point later. Lack of standardization. Every originator follows his own format of documentation. There is no standard format of IPO securitization. Anyone can follow anything. That's a problem. Inadequate debt to market. Why the lack of existence of well-development debt to market in India? Why the debt market is lacking? Everyone's financing through the issue of debentures, issue of bonds that is not totally viable. That is a problem in India. Ineffective foreclosure laws. The foreclosure laws are not supportive to leading institution because if you want to foreclose something, example, I got a loan, I want to foreclose it. Bank will charge you a substantial amount of interest. There is no foreclosure avoidance law, or if that means foreclose, a sustained period should be followed. There is no such kind of laws in India to follow that. It's because of this kind of deficiency, it is too difficult to see through these problems of standardization. The word recourse here in the accounting is if someone you want to get the money back, issue debentures, they want the money back. There is no probable or legal structure to foreclosure. Second thing, if a company is not repaying you, there is no proper channels to recover the money fast as possible. This is the problem with the securitization in India. Thank you.